All right, we are at the 2017 Michigan Foray in Gaylord, Michigan, #1. Name and where you're from.
Chris Barber, Kokomo, Indiana.
All right.
Matt Harrison, Brookville, Indiana.
All right.
Jan Cornett, Indianapolis, Indiana.
Lifetime member.
Robert Martens, Ann Arbor, Michigan.
Jack Rosenhauer, Grand Rapids, Michigan.
All right. What's your name?
Kai.
Kai. All right.
Scott Moore, Louisville, Kentucky.
Grace Moore, Louisville, Kentucky.
Nick, Indianapolis, Indiana.
Wendy Lawrence, Plainwell, Michigan.
Kent Lawrence, Plainwell.
Okay.
Robin Taylor, Woodhaven, Michigan.
I'm Kenny. I'm from the Pacific Northwest, Washington and Oregon, and I hope today I'll find my first morel in Michigan.
Okay.
Jonathan Barber, Rushville, Indiana.
Ashley Harrison, Brookville, Indiana. Mary Dilger, Linden, Michigan.
Chris Dilger, Linden, Michigan.
Mandy Foray, Hudson, Indiana.
Julie Deem, Wookidville, Indiana.
Look at that badass jacket you made.
Cool.
Sister Marie from Mount Pleasant, Michigan.
Ann Nemeth, Ohio.
Red Cougar, Ohio.
Bob Gardner from Chicago.
All right. We got everybody. Everybody ready to go on this 34-degree morning?
Excellent.
Okay, that's your first morel in the wild, right?
That's yours in the wild. Go
First
get
one,
it.
the first one I've ever seen.
In the wild.
Well,
So go ahead and pick it.
Go ahead and pick it. So you just lost your morel virginity.
we talked about this
About
morning.
time.
Finally.
You
And
said
how old
cut,
are you?
Cut them off right at the base?
Yep.
How old am I?
Yeah.
68 and
So
a
you're
half.
68 to get your
Yeah.
now to lose your virginity. So what? This is now. Is this coming from this? Is there a host on this one or not?
This one's
This
dead.
the popple.
This one? or
Yeah,
that?
it could be the dead one. You
Or there
know.
was one right behind you there
Yeah.
too.
Uh-huh.
So there could be
Look
other
at
little
that.
other little poppers
Yep.
here.
Yeah.
Hey, there you
All
go.
right. In the popple grove, northern Michigan, the first morel. Triplets.
Yay. I can't see behind this one.
I'm going to get a picture of you getting a picture of that.
Scott, you're my shadow. Get out of my shadow.
And that's the ash that
Yeah.
is the host.
Yep.
Cool.
The bigger the ash, the further away you can find them. It's all about the root system.
Yep.
Whoopsie. Darn, I did not mean to do that.
It's almost sad up here anymore. There's no more ash and you find a line.
Want a knife? I got a knife.
Yeah,
if you want
you could take that last one.
it. Depends on who else is
Do you like Twinkies? We got Twinkies and cupcakes just for you.
Have you ever had a Twinkie? No. I don't think he's ever had one. Come on.
All right. Not bad for a newbie, huh?
Yeah, with the help of the boss.
You found a couple on your own now.
Oh yeah, I got a couple.
This isn't chaga.
That's horseshoe polypore.
Both of them.
Medicinal. Yeah.
What's this?
You want them or
That's,
they rot?
yeah, we'll put them in there.
one's
At least
kinda
they,
rot.
yeah, that freshest one. I'll do it for ID.
You girls grab.
Yep, grows on wood.
Those red ones aren't chickens, are they?
No.
I found a
Well, that's
They're all over here, so be careful.
that's very good news. See, we're finding a little niche. I think they're switching over to sugar maple.
Oh wow, that's cool.
Sugar maple.
They have sugar maple, aren't they?
Yeah. I found them under sugar maple once or twice.
Wow.
Morels are
At least
a unique fungi and they
Until just
adapt.
do some more genetic testing and change it again.
Nice find.
Good job.
That was Scott that found it.
I was just trying to find the hill. You found 7 or 8. All right.
Come on, buddy.
Still be up here though too.
Oh yeah.
Whoa! Oh, I thought that was a big.
And I'm
Okay, it's not a fluke. This is the second sugar maple tree up here in Michigan that I think they're morels are transferring over. Found about 8 or 10 under that one, and then there's 2 really nice ones coming up here as well. And there's no other trees around. They definitely got to be mycorrhizal to the sugar maple. We got several maples in here. Okay, I just stopped here just by happen chance.
There's a, no, that's not another one.
And there's 2 right here, right before we parked. And there was 2 more under that maple right back there. But they're definitely hitting on maple. That's all maple right up in there.
It is.
There's
Wow.
2 right there.
What's a good time because Northern Michigan's got a lot of maple if they're transferring.
Oh, I know. Tell me about it.
Transferring over.
I don't think it's a fluke because that's 3 times now. Okay, they definitely got the niche and they're switching over quicker than I thought. Another sugar maple. We got more whites here.
Oh my gosh.
That's the 3rd or 4th one now in this little area.
Yeah.
How
And
many
it's
did you get?
nothing but big maple in here.
How many did you get here?
Yeah, that's a nice
Those
one.
2
Look
so
at
far.
that.
Yeah.
Got more yellows here in this maple. It's the 3rd or 4th time, so they're switching over quicker than I thought from ash. That's awesome.
It's going to be a couple more years.
And I thought it was going to be 5 years.
And they're live.
Okay, guys, here's another appetizer. This is nettle and cheese quesadillas.
Here you are.
Nettle and cheese quesadillas right here. How'd everybody like that tea? Like the tea?
What kind of tea
Yep.
is I am getting?
It was wintergreen and penny roll mint.
This is the nettles.
Yep.
In Indiana, there was a ton of them.
I don't ever find the red one.
All right, here is the pokeweed salad for you guys to try. Need some space right here.
We didn't get the salad yet.
Don't put that bottle next.
Let me go get you. All right, so we're getting ready to have mushroom bruschetta, stuffed jalapenos, mushroom soup. It's just loaded with all the different mushrooms that we found, and fried morels and fried. I'm frying up fried oysters and fried pheasant back as well. It's going to be in the mix. And then we have a grand finale of Alfredo pasta with bison burgers and chicken. For
Oh
those that-
my.
Okay, here's the grand finale. We have, listen up, grand finale. We got mushroom Alfredo topped with chopped ramps.
That's yours.
We have extra Alfredo to put on your meat. We got bison burgers and chicken.
I also have some flyers from the people that have the bison from, and